Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we'll be filming a comparison between the 178240 with a black index dial on the left and the 278240 with the rhodium dial on the right. Both of these are models within the Datejust 31 line, meaning that they're essentially the exact same watch. Or are they? Sure, their dials are different. The fact that they have slightly different model numbers and the fact that there's, say one watch in each hand, that obviously makes them different. They're both Datejust 31 millimeters in diameter from finger to thumb, 31 millimeters in diameter. They both have the same Oyster steel monoblock middle case, screw down case backs, and winding crowns to ensure water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet below sea level. Both have the domed style bezels that lead you directly into the dial, the main focus of just about any watch for most of us. Most of them, or both of these rather, have the same Oyster style bracelet with the flat 3-piece links with the Oyster folding clasps and the 5mm comfort extension. The front of each watch also has the sapphire crystal with the Cyclops lens for easy and clear reading of the date. But there's some very small differences here. Do you see them? How about now? No? Well, take a look at the lugs. The lugs on the newer model, the 278240, are actually slightly thinner than that of the 178240, the older model on the left. Aesthetically, well, does that really make that much of a difference? It might, because this taper is a bit smoother when you look at it on the newer model versus the taper on the older model. It seems a little bit more abrupt. Now, is that a deal breaker? Well, when you're wearing it, I think that'll be a decision that you will have to make yourself, which is why we're filming this video, so you can see the difference. Right? The thicknesses are basically the same, just about everything is the same, well, minus the lugs. And, well, I don't know, what else is different? Well, we can take a look at the movements. The movements of the 178240 is actually the older movement, the 2235, made in-house by Rolex, while the 278240 is the newer movement, 2236. Also made in-house by Rolex. Both beat at a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour or 4 Hz with hour, minute, and seconds hands with rapid date setting and hacking seconds for precise time setting. Both have a diameter of 20 millimeters or 31 millimeters with 31 joules. Both certainly pass the Swiss Official Chronometer Testing Institute or COST tests, but here's where they get a little different. The hairspring for the 2235 is an older brigade hairspring. While it's still exceptionally accurate, the 2236 hairspring is a newer generation hairspring called the Siloxy, or otherwise known as silicon, which is known for its longevity and clear resistance to electromagnetic and temperature fluctuations, so you know that your balance wheel is in good hands, or spring, whatever. The power reserve is also slightly different between these two models. The 2235 and the 178240 has a power reserve of up to 50 hours, while the 2236 and the 27840 has a power reserve of up to 55 hours. Not that big of a difference, but when it comes down to it, you can rest for about 5 hours more for this newer model before you need to pick it up and wind it again. But remember, simply wearing these watches will activate their bidirectional winding rotors, so you can simply keep them wound by having them on your wrist. So when it comes down to it, the comparison comes down to essentially security of timekeeping with the hairspring material and the power reserve. Obviously, the 178240 models are discontinued, but that's not to say that they cost that much less, since the more sought-after configurations with the dial, hour markers, and bracelets, depending on what you'd like, will still hold their value quite well. The 278240 models have modernity on their side, meaning that you can still get a fresh one directly out of Switzerland, at least as of the making of this video, and in most cases, fresher would generally be better, less likely to fail, less likely to require maintenance. All right. So, what are your thoughts on these timepieces? Which one would you choose? Would you take the legacy 178240 model, or would you go for the newer 278240 model? Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like as it really helps our channel out. Be sure to share this video with anybody looking for their next watch, and don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell notification so you can be notified when we go live with another video. Don't forget, if you want this or any other watch, be sure to put in your order at jazztime.com. Links in the description below.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.